Hey there, friends and fellow crafters. It's LeeAnn, and I am here today with Imagine Crafts. So here we go. I have a stamp set from Scrappy Tales Crafts that I'm using this week. It is a stamp and stencils. I am using my VersaFine Clair in Nocturne in order to stamp my image and get a clear impression. Then I'm going to leave my image in the Misty so that I can do my stenciling and my stencil will be in the right place each time. So I'm going to use my pixie tape to hold my stencil down. I am using tea leaves in the Versa Magic multi-surface chalk ink, and I'm using Fantastics in order to apply my ink. I love these stencils. This set, when Sabrina came out with it, just screamed summer to me, because first thing Mom always did at the beginning of summer was grab the hurricane tracking map. So here we are in the hurricane season, and I am making my own map. And so now I am bringing in Ocean Depth, which is a pretty blue color. And then I am bringing in Jumbo Java, which is brown. And now Delicata, which is Golden Glitz, and it's a shimmery gold. And I'm taking my time. This actually was a 30-minute video that I've sped up, and I know you don't want to sit here for 30 minutes and watch me do the same stuff. So now put that next stencil on, and I'm bringing out the silvery shimmer Delicata. And get all the pieces that I wanted silver. And then I'm bringing in the last stencil and turquoise gem. My VersaMagics have been neglected this year, so I decided that this project was going to be perfect for them. It does leave a little chalky finish, but that's quite all right. So here I am getting all the grid lines for this last stencil. So what makes you think of summer? I have a second thing that this project makes me enjoy, and I will get to that in just a minute when I get to my next part of the project. So here I am, and I'm using my VersaFine Clair in Nocturne again, just to stamp over everything, because I did ink blend over the parts of my stamp. So I wanted to make it brighter. So now I'm stamping the sentiment, and also using my VersaFine Clair Nocturne, because that is my favorite to use. And now I'm going to do a little magic that I learned, which is take the die and a separate piece of paper. Usually I do it on with color cardstock, but this time I did it with white, but it still worked out. Run that through my Gemini Junior, and then I have a little template to use to make sure that my die is in the right place when I go to cut it. So now I'm going to put some pixie tape back over it, run it through my Gemini Junior, and life will be good. Let me get some information for that verse of magic here for you. It's used for card making, journals, scrapbooks, and more. It is a softly opaque pigment ink that dries into a delicate chalky or matte finish. It's ideal for journals as it will not bleed through thin pages. Can be used on paper, vellum, shrink plastic, polymer, clay, wood, and leather. It's fast drying, highly fade resistant, archival and acid free, and it is water based. It does come in full-size ink pads as well as the dewdrops, and there are re-inkers. So I am using my Tear It tape, and I am putting a matching piece of blue in the inside of my card base just so that it kind of matches. And there is my card, and I did use a couple of foam dots to add the sentiment. Sentiment is "without you I would be lost," which is perfect. And I'm now using my On Point glue to put in various places on the map. And I am going to add some rhinestones to each of these spots. What are these spots? Any place I've ever been on a cruise ship, at least in the Eastern and somewhat Western Caribbean. Honduras was not on this map, so I could not add that, but we have Nassau and Freeport, we have Grand Turk, we have San Juan, St. Thomas, St. Martin, and over there in Mexico, as well as Florida in Fort Lauderdale, Miami, and Key West. Couldn't get Port Canaveral because it's also not on the map. Anyway, everything will be linked in the description box below. Hope you have a wonderful day and enjoyed my project. Thank you for watching, and have a great summer. Bye.